Hello everybody and welcome back from Thanksgiving break. I'm so glad to be doing some more vocabulary videos with you. So let us go ahead and get started. So today we have 3 words that we are going to look at, and all this week we have 7 all together. So how about we just hop right into it. So our first word of the day is curator. So I'd like y'all to take a moment and think what curator might mean. Curator. A curator is the person who is in charge of the works of art or objects in a museum. So an example used in a sentence is, my Uncle Chase is a curator at the large art museum in New York City. So meaning he's kind of the boss, the person in charge who kind of makes sure everything runs smoothly at the museum with all the works of art and the objects to make sure that no one messes with anything and that everything is safe and sound at the museum. So our next word of the day is rhythmic. So I'd like y'all to take a moment and think what rhythmic might mean. Rhythmic. If something is rhythmic, it has patterns of sound, movements, or beats to repeat. An example used in a sentence is, the rhythmic pattern of the drums helped the band stay in step as they marched in the parade. Meaning that the drummers in the marching band were giving a steady beat that was the exact same so that everyone could march along with it. So every beat that they heard, everyone stepped, and it was a rhythmic sound. So our next and final word of today is foreground. And I'd like y'all to take a moment and think what foreground might mean. Foreground. The foreground of a picture or a photograph is the area that is closest to the viewer. An example used in this sentence is, in the photograph, the palm trees are visible in the foreground, meaning the closest thing that you can see in that photograph is the palm trees. Now these are our words of today. I would like y'all to take the time to use vocabulary flashcards to make so that we can study them and prepare for our vocabulary quiz that we have coming up. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you back tomorrow for some more critical vocabulary. Bye!